Hey, I'm Sparky, and these flying around my head right now are your organs. Your brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, kidneys, they're all living inside you and right now working every single second to keep you alive. Cool, right?
An amazing organ waiting for you right on the other side. Ready? Here we go. There!
Guess what? You have a superhero organ hiding inside you right now. It's called your liver. It sits right here on the right side of your tummy, just under your ribs. Feel that side. Every time you eat something, your liver gets to work immediately. The liver is like a cleaning factory. It grabs all the bad and poisonous stuff from your blood, locks it away, and sends the clean, healthy blood back out. Amazing job, liver! Your liver also makes a special juice called bile size. It helps break down oily food. Fun fact, your liver can actually grow back if part of it is damaged. It's the only organ that can do that.
Our organs are amazing. They never stop working, not even for 1 second, keeping us alive. Take care of your amazing body. It takes care of you every single day. I hope you understand now just how special you really are.
Thanks for learning about our amazing body organs with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sparky Science.